Okay, we got some new updates here from baby dogecoin because this coin has still continued here to rally and to go up. So we have to check this out, why this coin has been continuing to go up and what's going to happen here in the future. So I recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what just happened here to baby dogecoin, and of course put your opinions down on the comments about this token. What do you think? Can it continue to go up or will we get rejected here? Okay, let's go and check it out. So here we are, core market cap. The market cap right now for this token is basically at $1.1 billion. So the volume here did go down by 15%, but we're still at $30 million here for the volume, which is still pretty okay. If you go here the last 7 days, you can still see that we have been going up and the good things have been still happening here, and that there is a chance that we should be able to continue to go up even more pretty soon because they have some new updates. If you go here to not their website but their Twitter, we got some new updates. Let's go from the last one I talked about. So as you can see here, so Bloomberg has been talking about it, so that's pretty cool. We got here you today also talking about it. Then we have here CoinMarketCap that's been talking about it. So, and this is the latest posted thing. So CoinMarketCap on January 11th saying here, baby Dogecoin has had a sudden surge of 143% at the start of 2022. That's despite other meme coins like Doge and SHIB falling sharply down. So what's going on? So there you go. It says here we have passed 1.2 million holders. It's awesome to see. Look at the engagement here, 17,000 likes. That's an insane number. So Puppy Wars here says crypto Puppy Wars, baby Dogecoin and Shiba Inu nip at breakout. So yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen with the Puppy Wars, but super cool. Who did this? Look at these guys, 15k. What's with the engagement here? Baby Dogecoin has a ton of engagement. What? Okay, you today also, baby Doge holders now total whopping 1.2 million. There you go. So Cloud News also talking about the coin here, saying, are you going to get a baby Doge NFT when we release them on Ethereum and OpenSea? Yes, no, see results. So honestly, results here. Yes, yeah. So I think the baby Doge NFTs are actually going to explode here. They're going to totally explode for one big reason. And the reason is there's so much engagement here. There's so much engagement here for these posts here. 10,000 likes, 3,000 retweets. Like, that's insane number of engagement here. So just because this, I believe the NFTs, once they do release, are going to be massive. So yeah, NFTs for baby Doge. What do you guys think? Can it explode here? Can it do any good? I believe it can. Shiba Inu NFTs were really massive, really big, but of course, baby Dogecoin doesn't have the exact same popularity that Shiba Inu has. It's not even close actually, but still, that doesn't mean it cannot go up. If the NFTs look good, if they look presentable, if people start to use those NFTs and just place them on their profile pictures on like Twitter or on Telegram or something like that, then I believe that people are gonna buy them. People are gonna start to buy them. They're gonna trade a lot more later on. So yeah, don't forget, like, these guys have been helping a ton of people here and animals actually to build shelters here. So that's pretty cool to see. These guys are doing some charity work. They're helping the world here, so they are donating money. They are helping a ton of people. We got Binance here saying, we love seeing all of you my crypto wish entries so far. Do not have until January 10th to share your New Year's wishes. So there you go from Binance here. So we have been still talking about that there's a possibility that Binance is going to list baby Doge, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen with that, because these guys are hinting that things should be happening, but you cannot know for sure. If it does get listed on Binance, then we're gonna see massive price increase here for baby Doge. So I'm excited. If something like that does happen, it's gonna be pretty much insane. So yeah, there's an Ethereum bridge, so you can actually get it here on BSC and Ethereum if you do want so because there's a lot, I know a lot of people who are whales actually are Ethereum whales. So there you go. This is why these guys are doing something like that. These guys are partnered here with Coin Payments, so Shopify and WooCommerce is partnering with them. People can start, basically, if somebody enables it on their Shopify store, you can purchase things with your baby Doge, which is super cool to see. But let's go and check out the price here. Let's see what's been happening. So we're still not at the all-time high, but as you can see, we still reach all of these levels. So I did tell you guys that there's a possibility that we should be able to reach all the way to this level at 0.00042. So as you can see here with the Fibonacci, we did measure this, and later on, boom, 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 just breaking all the values here and hitting, even getting past this level. But as you see, we're just now getting rejected at this level. So let's just try and measure this actually. So if we go from if I told you guys to buy from here all the way to here, yeah, I can't measure, I forgot. I always forget I can't measure nothing. So the thing here with this token is that we are still, if you look at the 1 day, we're in that giant triangle here. So every single time we did go up, we did go down, but look at this. We're making new highs. So the lows here are actually getting higher. So the low here is actually higher than the previous low. So seeing this is pretty cool, because even if we do get rejected, hopefully we're gonna make a higher low and then just bounce off. So we're kind of forming this giant triangle pattern for the whole basically for the whole token here. So look at this giant triangle pattern here. Maybe we didn't hit this level exactly, but we're hitting the level right now. So there are a couple possibilities that could happen right now. One of the possibilities is that we can try to get past this level here and try to go up all the way back to the all-time high, which is still pretty much possible. That could happen if Binance does list a coin or something big, or like some big exchange does list a coin. But if you do get rejected, let me just check out the levels here again. So if you actually put out Fibonacci here, if you pull from here to this level, you can see all of the levels here. So somewhere around here, I should put it. Basically, there's a chance, let me just delete all these lines. There's a chance that we should be able to go back to all the way to here probably. So somewhere around this level, so this is about 25. So 25, if we do decrease here, it's going to be about, I can't measure, I forget. I hate this chart. I just hate this chart because I can't measure anything on this chart, and it's not on TradeView. Maybe it is on TradeView now, but it wasn't on TradeView before. If we actually go here to markets, maybe there's a chance because of Poloniex it is on TradeView, but I'm using like Dex tools. Dex tools is good, but for some reason at this one I can't measure anything. It just doesn't let me measure anything, and it pisses me off, but it's still okay. So there's a chance it should be able to go up. Now, even if we get rejected, we're all the way to here. So basically, maybe yeah, even lower. So 21. The chance we're going to go all the way down to 21 and then try to bounce back off. But do remember, this is the 1 day chart. So this thing here is going to last for a pretty long time. It's going to take at least like a month or maybe even more for all of this to happen. This is on the 1 day chart, but of course if we do break this level right now, then yeah, there's still a possibility that we should be able to continue to go up and reach the all-time high right now. So we're gonna see. It all looks still pretty much okay. We've been having some massive sell-offs, so do remember that. You just see here massive sell-off here, but people are buying the dip. So people are still buying the dip. These guys are still promoting, and that's the thing. Like you can just see that Baby Dogecoin is heavily investing into marketing because of these news outlets talking about it. So maybe even other YouTubers are talking about it just because that. So yeah, but the engagement here, it's huge. This is all huge. 17,000 likes. That's a huge number here. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here to Baby Doge here, because like I said, NFTs. So to actually help it a little bit here to actually go up also, and you can actually make some profits from the NFTs. So if everything is okay, if everything looks good, then there's a chance, because if they do have that big of a community, then yeah, everything can happen here. If you go here to their Telegram, I want to just check it out. There's 224,000 people here. That's insane. For 15,000 people right now online in the Telegram. Of course it has so much potential here to go up. There's so many people here who are interested into this token here. So hopefully it will. So we're gonna need some whales, guys. Some whales need to come into the party, and if they want to come in, they will only go in if we get some exchange listings. So if we get any good exchange listings, then the value of this token will continue to go up. So yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen here in the end to Baby Dogecoin. But yeah, guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. Hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, I mean, search me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.